Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the pros and cons about having a new truck. This one is a brand new International, as you can see in the certified clean idle sticker. It's Navistar, obviously International, and it has a 826 engine. Alright, as you can see, everything is brand new. I'm gonna show you the mileage that this truck has right now, and as you can take a look, it has 1,573 miles, so it's pretty much new. Look the interior, so you can have an idea. Look there, top. Alright, so let's start with the obvious things first. This truck, everything is brand new. Everything. Let's see. Batteries, new. Tires, brand new. Everything, right? That's the reason why you're gonna pay around more than 100K for this kind of truck. But here's the pros about having this kind of trucks. Many drivers say it's like you will have, for example, 250,000 miles without problems, right? But in real life, is that really possible? No, I don't think so. You might have 100,000 miles without any issue, but as far as I know, and I already been working on these trucks, I have seen it, and usually first things I can see they go wrong with these trucks are wheel seals, tire wheel seals, you see, but not just the hubcap, I mean the wheel seal itself. That's one of the things. Not long ago I made a wheel seal on a Mack truck. It was only 80,000 miles, and like I'm saying, so many people say, oh, I had to take it to the dealer. Yes, you can take it to the dealer, but the dealer won't give you the truck right away. They might take, sometimes if you get early on the dealer, they might give it to you, but usually they take at least 1 day to do those kind of things, even if you are under warranty. And usually when if anybody watching this video knows about new trucks, you know, when trucks are under warranty, usually they are the last ones, because a dealer don't get paid for it, so you have to wait for it. And that's one of the things. Those are small things, I know. The other things I had noticed is when the check engine light turns on these new trucks. All right, when the check engine light turns on these new trucks, the first thing you can notice is like, oh, you had to take it to the dealer. Especially if your engine is not a Cummins engine or a DD15 engine, you will have troubles over the road. Okay. So right now I'm inside the truck because there is a lot of noise outside, and for me, that's one of the main issues when you have a new truck. First, check engine light. When the truck has a check engine light, even if it is a Cummins engine or a DD15 engine, right? Sometimes, in general, you cannot fix them. You cannot fix it in your shop, or in your, if you have your own mechanic, you cannot fix it in there. All right. So you have to take it to the dealer. And as I told you before, that's waste of time. All right. Sometimes there are easy things, and sometimes there are things that really, really will take long time to get it fixed, like a week or even more than that. So I suggest you, if you plan to buy a new truck, check it out, the options that you have. All right. And obviously these things are more than $100,000 right now, so check it out, what is the best for you. Many people say, oh, I need this and that. No, everybody has different tastes when it comes to trucks. Many people say, "Oh, I hate Freightlinders. They always has issues. I like Volvos." Other people might say different. They might say, "Oh, I like Freightlinders. Volvos are the worst trucks I ever drive." So it depends. It's up to you. But the pro to having a new truck, pretty much people say 250,000 miles without problem, maybe up to 500,000 without engine, transmission, powertrain related parts, no problem. Beyond 500,000 miles, you might have problems. And uh, the cons about it is like when it comes to repairs, if your truck has any big issue, dealer might take a while to get it fixed. So that's my advice, guys. Check it out, all the options you have before you buy a new truck. You know, we have nowadays, we have so many options: international, Kenworth, Freightliner, uh, Cummins, if you want to put it just related to the engine. uh, and just check it out, whatever you feel like it suits your needs. Never buy something that doesn't suit your needs, because it's for example, if a driver is gonna work as a local driver, he might be better with a day cab instead to have it as sleeper. So that's what I'm saying. So just try to check it out. What is the best for you guys? All right. And this is what I have for you today, guys. That's my little advice if you're planning to buy a new truck. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.